children, today we are going to learn about rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme, I request you to open your textbook page number 21. See rhyme scheme. See, read aloud the first two words of the poem. Children, children, don't forget. The rhyme scheme used in these lines of the poem is A, B, B, C, C. See, we are going to read the first verse of the poem. Children, children, don't forget. Okay. See, here they are saying that the rhyme scheme of this poem is A, B, B, C, C. Let us see what is A, B, B, C, C. What is rhyme scheme? Okay. See, children, children, don't forget. There are elves and fairies yet. Where the naughty hawthorn grows, look for prints of fairy toes. Where the grassy rings are green, moonlight dances shall be seen. See, this is the first verse. See here, left side they have given the rhyme scheme A, B, B, C, C. What is this A, B, B, C, C? See, a rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhymes at the ends of the lines of a poem or verse. See here, in every poem we can see rhyming words, right? Rhyme scheme we can see. Rhyming words, we write rhyming words from the poem, right? See here, how the rhyming words are given. See, forget. Here forget rhyming word is yet. Forget, yet. And grows. Grows, toes. Grows rhyming word, toes. And green, seen. Green and seen. They are rhyming words, right? Like this, they have given rhyming words here. Forget, yet, grows, toes, green, seen. See, based on these, we can write a rhyme scheme. How it is? See, first one. In first line, we can see the rhyming word that is, see the word that is forget, right? Forget, and next yet, next grows, and next one toes, and green, see. See, first line is ending with the word forget. Right, forget. Here we can write A. Okay, A. First line, no? So here we can write A. And we forget, it is the last word. For this last word, we have to get the rhyming word. With the rhyming word in the sense, it ends with the same sound, right? Forget, yet. Yet, it is also, it is forget and yet. It is ending with the same sound, and those words are ending with same sound, and we can understand that this word yet is rhyme for this first word forget. If we get the rhyming word for where we get, in which line we get the rhyming word for forget, there we can write the same letter A. Okay. Here A is there. Right. Next grows. Next grows. Grows and toes. In next line we got a different different word. Here it is third line is not ending with the it sound, right? Here forget, yet. Same sound, ending with same sound. So those are rhyming words. Here different word is there, ending with a different sound, right? Here grows. Grows. And next line ending with the same sound, toes. Grows, toes. Grows, toes. Toes also ending with the same sound, red, grows, toes, O sound. Those words are ending with the O sound. So these are rhyming words, right? It is sounds like same, right? These are rhyming words. So here we can write B. And green, seen. Here different word is there, right? Green. So we can write here C. Okay, green, seed. Next line ending with the in sound, right? Green is ending with the in sound and seed is ending with the in sound. So we can say those are rhyming words, right? Here also we can write C. In this way we can find the rhyme scheme. What is the rhyme scheme here? A, B, B, C, C. Right? See, a rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhymes at the end of the lines of a poem or a verse. See, a rhyme scheme in the sense it is a pattern of rhymes. Rhyme scheme is a pattern of rhymes at the ends of a poem. How the poem, how the poem's lines are ending. There is a pattern for that. Based on sound it is. How it sounds, the words, rhyming words. Based on rhyming words we can find the rhyme scheme. Or pattern, we can find the pattern of a poem. Here the pattern is A, B, B, C, C. See, let us do the next activity. You will get more idea about this if we do the next activity. Okay. See here, identify the rhyme scheme for the following lines of poem Fairy Bread by Robert Louis Stevenson. See, here is another poem. Let us see. Okay, how to write. See. Come up here, O dusty feet. Here is a fairy bread to eat. Here in my retiring room, children, you may dine on the golden smell of broom and the shade of pine. And when you have eaten well, fairy stories hear and tell. See, here is a poem. Let us write only last lines of the poem here. Sorry, last words of the poem here for finding the rhyme scheme. Okay. See, first one, last word is feet. Next, eat. Next, room. Dine, broom, pine, well, tell. See, these are the last words of each lines. See, let us find the rhyming word, okay, or pattern. Okay. See here, feet. Here, feet rhyming word is eat. Why? Because second line last word is rhyming with the first word, right? Feet rhyming word eat. Why? Because it is sounds like same or ending with the same sound, right? Right? Feet, eat. So first one now we can write A here. This is the second eat is the rhyming word for feet. So we can write here A. Right? Next word is room. It is a different word, right? So we can write here B. B. Room. For room we have to find a rhyming word from those words. What is the rhyming word of room? Dine? No. Broom. Right? Broom. It is room rhyming word is broom. It is ends with the same sound, right? Ending with the same sound. So we can write here B. Rhyming word of room is broom. So we can write here B. And next one, dine. It is a different word, so we can write here C. Next word, next word we have to find, right? Here for next we have to find a rhyming word for dine. Okay, here we can write C. Okay, third word C. What is the rhyming word for dine? Which is there? Pine. Right? Dine, pine. Ending with the same sound, right? So we can write here C. word for well. Here it is tell, right? So we can write here D. Hope you understand. See, first word, that is feet here. So we can write first word. No, we can write A there. For the rhyming word for feet, we have to find. There we have to write A only. Feet rhyming word eat. So same A we can write here. Right. Next, room. Next word is room. After A we have to write B. Right. Room. For room, which is rhyming word? Broom. Same B we have to write. We have to write for the rhyming word room and broom. We have to write B. And next word dine is there. After B, which letter? C is there. Right. So C we have to write here. Dine. What is the rhyming word for dine? Pine. There we have to write C. Dine, pine. C, C. Next word, well. After C, which letter? D we have to write. Well, rhyming word is tell. There also we have to write D. Well, tell. D, D. Right. Here, the rhyming pattern of this poem is A, B, C, B, C, D, D. That is the rhyming pattern of this poem. You have to complete that pattern here. Okay. See, there is one more activity. Except from the lobster quadrille Alice Adventure in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Okay. Here is one more poem. We have to write the rhyme scheme. Okay. Will you walk a little faster? Said a waiting to a snail. There is a porpoise close behind us and he's treading on my tail. See how eagerly the lobsters and the turtles all advance. They are waiting on the shingle. Will you come and join the dance? Will you, won't you, will you, won't you, will you, will you join the dance? Will you, won't you, will you, won't you join the dance? You can really have no notion how delightful it will be when they take us up and throw us with the lobsters out to sea. But the snail replied, too far, and gave a look askance. Said he thanked the whiting kindly, but he would not join the dance. Would not join the dance. Would not, could not join the dance. See, this is the poem. You have to write the pattern. Okay, here's snail. A is there. Snail. First word is there, no? Snail. A. Rhyming for snail is tail. Tail is there, right? A is there. A you have to write. And next, advance. B. Advance, dance. Same B. Right? Dance. Again dance. B, B. Again B. Again B, E, B is there. Next line. C. There you have to write the pattern. There C. Next B, for B, rhyming word for B is C is there, right? C, C. And askance, dance, dance, dance. Actually this askance are rhyming with the advance, right? So we can write here B. Remaining dance, dance, dance. That is all B. Like the same you have to write the rhyme scheme. Okay. Here you can complete the rhyme scheme. See, I will send these answers along with this video. Okay. Page number 21 and 22. Okay. Hope you understand about rhyme scheme, how we have to write the rhyme scheme. Watch the video at least twice or thrice. Try to understand it. Okay.